Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're on the hunt for a stunning and durable plastic dinnerware set, you've got to check these out by Hioasis. I was blown away by how sturdy they are. They can hold a ton of food without breaking. The cups and napkins are also top notch, and the clear design with gold rims make them look absolutely gorgeous. This set is super versatile too. I love having some at home for when I have guests over. I can use this set without having to worry about washing dishes. It's perfect for weddings as well, baby showers, anniversaries, and more. It comes with 50 dinner plates, 50 dessert plates, and 50 cups and 50 roll napkin cutlery. Everything looks beautiful. So if you're looking for a gathering set that will impress your guests and make your party look absolutely amazing, definitely check these out. They're elegant and high quality, and you will not be disappointed.
And that's my point of view.